watch out behind you, man.
Yeah, I hear him coming. Thanks.
To repeat what a good friend of mine, a New Orleans music producer, very well-known New Orleans music producer, said, that he said when he was watching all the bands set up in Davis Square getting ready for the parade, he said, this is the closest thing to Mardi Gras I've ever seen outside of New Orleans. And it's true. It's just so exciting to see all the bands out there and people getting ready for the parade. Very cool.
Oh, man, what are you doing?
One characteristic that is unique to Honk Fest is that it's an entirely non-commercial festival. So there aren't people selling crafts, and there are no sponsors who have big banners up. The spirit of the festival is not about making money. The spirit of the festival is about having the festival and having people come together who have this attitude about music that it can be a tool to improve the world.
Gotta love this weekend, huh?
Yeah, oh, it's great.
You had a good time yesterday?
Excellent, yeah, really fun doing it.
And you're organizing the parade, helping organize the parade here?
Yeah, we're doing the parade today from here down to Harvard Square, and then people are going to be playing on the main stage at Harvard Square all day.
Excellent.
Yeah, it'll be fun. Yep.
Yeah, and I mean, the thing is that you can just accidentally wander into it and have the time of your life. And that's part of why it's there as well. Because there's just something about celebrating on the street. You know, that's how I got involved, because I lived in the community and, you know, I knew a couple people that were in some of the bands, but I didn't really know what this honk thing was until I went down and I saw it, and it was just the greatest, most fun, liberating experience. Everybody has a huge smile on their face.
I'm told by Gan Shambhala that at the end, when you finish the parade, everyone is meeting at...
Diane and Charlie! I'm gonna go see Diane and Charlie in solo! This is my sweetheart!
Honk!
Happy
Honk!
Honk! Happy Honk!
Great, what are your anticipations?
Of the parade?
Yes.
There will be lots of silliness and lots of tall people and people with funny hair and sousaphones boogieing around. Hopefully a lot of like New Orleans and people from all over just having fun.
Excellent.
In other words, dance.
amazing.
So, how's it feel to be a part of it?
Oh, absolutely brilliant. It's so good. There's not many brass bands in the UK, especially not like this, so it's just fantastic for us, yeah.
Thank you for coming all this way to be a part of it.
Oh no, it's an absolute pleasure. So excited to be here.
Yeah, the British invasion. Love you guys. Thanks.
Gather 100,000 signatures for raising the minimum wage and for earned sick time. Improve wages and working conditions.
You want more? Well, fear not. I got on my bicycle and followed the parade into Harvard Square.
Commentary on money.
Make a plane for it, huh?
Oh, of course.
What's your impression so far?
Oh, I love it. It's just everyone's here, and the music is everywhere.
The Honk Pickup Band. You can join this band next year.
Oh, it's a kind of bit of Mardi Gras right here in Boston. The whole city has an opportunity to go nuts.
Are you going to go nuts?
So many trombones in my life, and I played trombone all my life. You know, you wonder who's delivering the pizza.
More from the Bread and Puppet Theater, the Daffodil Attack Force, and the F-35 from Burlington, Vermont. Local Vermont issue. Bread and Puppet Theater, Daffodil Attack Force.
Party time.
Jesus, and all